Morning to one and all. My name is Suresh. So today we are discussing about the one more topic. This topic name is the how to find out. We take the one material by rubbing with the different materials. Okay na? We take one type of material. This material is rubbed with the different material. How to attract them? Okay na? So first of all, write the we do the one lab activity. Lab activity. Okay, now first aim. Conduct an experiment. Conduct of an experiment to find out effect of charged bodies, which have been rubbed with the different materials, These are the aim. So first of all, we want to some requirement material required. First of all, material required a ball pen refill, comb, next inflated balloon, refill, comb, inflated balloon, next eraser, next steel spoon, next plain paper, next dry leaves, next polythene sheet, next woolen cloth, These are the, whenever we do this lab activity, we want to some material, ball pen, refill, comb, inflated balloon, eraser, steel spoon, plain paper, dry leaves, polythene sheet and woolen cloth. Okay na? Next procedure. First of all, take the refill. This refill is vigorously rubbed with the plain paper, dry leaves, polythene sheet and woolen cloth. What happened immediately? And also some of material also immediately attracted them and some material did not attract them. Next I will write the table. These are the table. Okay na? Objective name, material used for rubbing, material used for rubbing. Next whether pieces of papers attractive or repel. First of all, I will take the refill. I will take the refill. Okay na. Material used for the rubbing. Okay na. Where objects now? First of all, plain paper. Plain paper. Next to dry leaves. Next to dry leaves. Next to polythene sheet, woolen cloth. The ripple is rubbed with the plain paper. So immediately the object did not attract them. That is the no. The ripple is taken from the polythene sheet. Polythene sheet immediately attracted them. It is the yes. Next to ripple is rubbed with the woolen sheet. Immediately attract to the power. Next we take the comb. Same material. Comb means plain paper, not attractive them. Next to polythene sheet and woolen cloth. Polythene sheet and woolen cloth is attractive them. S and S. Next we are taking about the eraser. So eraser is rubbed with the plain paper. Eraser is rubbed with the plain paper. Not to attract them. No. An eraser is rubbed with the dry hair. Not attract them. But eraser is rubbed with the polythene sheet. Getting to the eraser rubbed with the polythene sheet. Getting to the attractive power. Yes. Eraser is rubbed with the woolen cloth. Is getting to the getting the charge. Yes. Next to steel spoon. Steel spoon is rubbed with the any type of material did not to attract them. All are the not attract them. No. And eraser also we rubbed with the any material, that is the polythene paper, woolen cloth, and dry leaves and plain paper. All are the not attractive them. No. Eraser all are no. And steel spoon also all are not attractive. No. So in this table, what do you observe that? Only some material are attractive them and some material did not to attractive them. Okay now, so in this table we are learning about some objectives are getting to the attractive power and some objective. When was these objectives rubbed with the another material immediately getting to the attractive power? That means charge. And some object did not get into the charge, that have the not to attractive them. Next to conduct an experiment, the presence of the one charged body. Next to conduct, I take the one experiment. This experiment is most important in the examination point. Conducting an experiment, the presence of the charged body. How to find the any one material, find out the charge. Okay now, first. Next to activity number 3. Activity number 3. Conducting an experiment to find the presence of charge body. To find the presence of charge body. Okay now, charge body. First of all, I will take the one stand. These are the one stand. And it is the one stand, Amma. These are the one stand. I will take the one thermocol ball. And I will take the one silver foil plain paper. This silver foil paper is completely covered with the ball. And now only I will take the one glass rod. Now only I will take the one glass rod. It is a ball. It is a silver foil. Okay na? So first of all, I will take the one stand and take the one thread and take the one thermocol ball, and I will take the chocolate wrapper paper, that is a silver foil wrappers. These wrappers are using in the chocolate making of the chocolate covers. And first of all, I will take the one glass rod. This glass rod is rubbed with the silver foil thermocol ball. So immediately the thermocol ball is attracting to the glass rod. Immediately attracting to the glass rod, because of glass rod is have the positive charge and it is a thermocol ball has the negative charge. So these two objects are immediately getting to the attractive power and attract to each other. Next I will take the same experiment. I will take the one thermocol ball. This thermocol ball is completely covered with this silver foil, and now only I will take the glass rod. Is first of all I will touch with the silver foil. Okay now, and again coming to take and come to near the ball. What happened? The ball is immediately to take and go to change their position, because of glass rod have the positive charge and silver foil have the positive charge. So in these two have the repel to each other. So because of the ball is going to some distance away. The ball is going to the some distance away. These are the activity. How to find out the any one charge of the body. Okay now. First of all, once again I will explain them. First of all, I will take the one stand and one thread, and I will take the one thermocol ball, and I will take this silver foil wrappers. These wrappers are completely covered with the thermocol ball. Next, I will take the one glass rod. The glass rod is immediately touching to the silver foil. So the ball is to get into the attractive power. Why? Glass rod have the positive charge and this one have the negative charge. Each are the attractive them. Next, first of all, the glass rod is rubbed. Glass rod is touched with the silver foil, and coming to take and come this glass rod is to touch the thermocol ball. The thermocol ball is to going to away from the some distance. This experiment is to find out the presence of the any charged body. The charges are two types. One is the same charges. Same charges means plus. It is called for the repel. It is called for the repel. Next, another one charged body has it is a positive and negative. It is immediately getting to the attractive power also. These are the experiment of how to find out the connecting of the one charged body. Understand all numbers. Today in this class we are learning about the how to find out the take the one material. This material is rubbed with the different types of materials. Some of the immediately getting to the attractive power, some not attractive them, they are the constant. And how to find out the presence of the one charged body. Understanding all numbers? Okay.